So see, achievements like success and failures, there's nothing like a failure, you know. You either you learn or you win or you learn. So even if I have lost so much in life, I have learned so much from whatever failures and successes that I have got. It is those lessons that I want to regain more than my achievements or trophies or anything. And in life, it's not definitely about achievements. There are so many people who have much less than what you have. Okay, only when you lose something do you know the importance of losing. It's about being happy with whatever you have. I would not do anything to regain those. I would make myself ready for the next ones. I always wanted to be in service, like being a doctor was definitely my childhood dream, because I was someone who was like, I don't know, at that age I somehow liked Mother Teresa. And I used to read about a lot of eminent personalities, be it APJ Abdul Kalam sir, be it Sachin Tendulkar. I used to be inspired by those huge trophies that they got. I also wanted that at some point of stage, but I didn't know how to go about. I wanted to be like them, but I don't know which path to take and what to become. So all I did was just utilizing the opportunities which the world has given me, and just moving about with a disciplined life every day. That was my thing. Right from my childhood, I always woke up early in the morning. My discipline is what made me stand today. My inspiration, as I said, it's Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir, because it's he who inspired me to be going to all the colleges and schools and inspiring the youth. He used to do that, and he actually inspired me to be doing what I'm doing right now. I think for us, the biggest diversion that we ever can have is our cell phones and our social media. That's the only that's the biggest diversion I can say. Maybe because I didn't have a phone or a computer till my MBBS third year, it helped me a lot. It helped me not getting diverted. But at this present stage, I think it is a necessity to have it. But it's about, if you really want to win something, then you yourself will channelize your time, put it aside, and then utilize your time properly. You know how much time you want to use on your phone. You know how much time you have to study. So it's about how determined you are to actually win your goal. I don't know if you're actually depending on luck. Luck doesn't come so easily. So hard work is the key for everything. You may be intelligent, you may be smart, but still if you don't work, you're not reaching your goal. Definitely you have to work hard to reach a particular goal, have a disciplined life, and then time management and proper planning and executing those plans are extremely important. Sometimes luck might favor, but without hard work, believe me, it's very difficult to achieve any goal. As I said, I became an achiever against a lot of odds, a lot of discriminations and rejections what happened to me. And life is definitely not easy. So for you, the only message I would say is don't give up on your passion just because of some kind of societal discriminations or whatever you are facing in your life. Stick to your goals and follow your passion, and definitely believe in yourself. One day you will definitely achieve your goal when you're actually doing that disciplined practice every day. Because we all are humans, we feel sad. There are moments that right after not achieving something, you actually feel very sad, but it's about how you wake up again and then rise like a phoenix the next day itself. So maybe it's very human to feel low for a day, but it's about thinking that this is not the end, and life gives you many more opportunities that are coming your way. This is definitely not the end of your life. Just have that patience, let that right time come for you to achieve that right thing. Just have patience, have belief in yourself, and just believe in whoever God that you believe in, and then definitely it's going to come to you someday.